Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. I just got home from the farmer's market here in Yuba City. Wow, what an adventure. I wish Robin would have been here, but she's actually on an airplane flying home. Oh, I'll be glad because I don't sleep well when she's not here. I really don't. Neither does she. Yeah, so last night, I did pasta aglio and oil, which is basically, I used long pasta with olive oil, butter, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and a big old bowl. If you saw the picture from last night, you'll know it. Today, I was going to make this dish earlier in the week, but I decided, because I had such a big lunch of leftovers from the night before, I decided to put this dish off until today. Gnocchi alla Sorrentina. This is a fun little dish. 4 ingredients, if you don't count salt and pepper. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Simple. Dutch oven, colander. I'm actually going to heat up the sauce because this is a jarred sauce, so I will probably kick it up a couple notches, do some casual chef stuff to it, and a baking dish. So there's gnocchi, like I said, a jarred sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Basically what it is, you cook the gnocchi. You don't have to heat up the sauce, but I'm going to go ahead and heat up the sauce. You mix the two together and use about the 2/3 or so of both cheeses with the gnocchi and the sauce. Get it in the baking dish, cover it in cheese, both of them, and you basically only have to bake it for about 15 minutes. So, the farmer's market, I got all these goodies. Not that stuff. That stuff's old. Well, you with me. Got some wonderful shiitakes out of Auburn, California. Talked to the gentleman. His name is Cody. Very nice guy. And he is a full-time mushroom farmer. Got some long beans. I really like working with long beans. I'm actually going to take some of these long beans and the shiitakes and use one of these little baby red onion. And I'm going to do a little quick saute to go with the gnocchi. Got some sweet onions. And these little guys I found. Can you tell me what those are? I am going to post a photo of these. Let's see how many people can figure out what these are. I got it wrong the first time. Yellow squash and some zucchini for later on in the week. So there's my haul. I'll even get a little closer. What are they? So that's my Saturday morning. I really look forward to this gnocchi and the long beans. And the rest of the long beans I'll use later in the week. I have 2 meals this week that have veggies to be determined. Well, I determined. I always get inspired when I go to the farmer's market. Yeah, I just love it. Nothing like fresh produce. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.